Okay, so in terms of the project, this is what we're doing in our testing phase right over here. So essentially what is going to be going on is that is our thermistor that will be inside the soil measuring the temperature. Like so. And then this thingy right here, that is our moisture sensor right before we start our testing. And so the soil that we're currently testing is our 2 dry soil. So we're currently trying to find the voltage output that is going to be read by the Arduino to let us, to essentially help us figure out the threshold for moisture content for our coating. So what will happen is that if the temperature sensor determines that the soil is too hot, or the moisture sensor determines that the soil is too dry, all of that will go into the Arduino right here, and then that will turn on, the Arduino will use the coding that we are creating, that we are in the process of creating right now. It will go and turn on through this relay here, it will turn on this bilge pump, which the pump itself, we've already tested that and determined there's too much gap. It's a little hard to see, but there's too much gap where that adapter is, and we're losing too much pressure, so we're going to need to get a bigger hose. But essentially what will happen is that the pump will turn on like that. And so whenever that turns on, water will pump through this hose, even though we think we're going to need to get a bigger hose. But we've punched holes through this hose right here, and that will form our drip line, and that will be snaking back and forth within the soil in the greenhouse to provide water for our plants. And so now we have our cups of ideal moisture and soil that is too wet. So now we're going to see how all that goes. What do you think, Emily?
It's going great.
All right, let's get down to it.
Yeah.